My name is Hector Bellies, and today we'll be demonstrating flossing. Flossing is very important because it goes in spaces that the toothbrush does not. Flossing should be done first to allow toothbrushing and the toothpaste to be more effective. Today I'll be demonstrating with wax floss on how to floss properly. Okay, so I removed here about 16 inches worth of floss, or an arm's length. My dominant hand is my left, so I'm going to wrap this around my finger 3 times. You want to use your middle finger for proper stability, okay? You want to do 1 time on your non-dominant. Then you're going to grab 1 inch worth of floss in between your fingers, okay? So I'm going to start on this tooth here with the 1 inch of space here. You want to gently go into the space between the teeth here. You want to wrap around it in a C shape, okay? Once you're firmly placed into the tooth, you want to do up and down motions very gently so that you do not hurt your gums. So go up and down very gently. Then you want to come on the other side of the same area. Just stick it in there, and you go up, and you go down, up, down, up, down, up. Then you come out. Then you want to change the section of the floss here, so that way you don't put bacteria that you pull from the previous tooth into the new tooth. So then you come gently into the space here, wrap around again, and you go up, down, up, and you want to gently wiggle out. You replace it, and you come on to your next tooth here, and you come in C shape again. You want to apply light pressure on the side of the tooth, so that way you get the most plaque out of the tooth here. So then you go up, slip in here, I'm sorry, up, down, up, down, up. Then you want to come on the opposite side of the tooth here and do the same thing, and that's how you properly floss. Hello, now I'm going to demonstrate toothbrushing and what a toothbrush is. Okay, a toothbrush is an instrument used to remove plaque. The toothbrush is the most important part of oral disease prevention. Now, what exactly are you looking for in a toothbrush? Well, I could tell you, you want something that suits you in size, you want it to fit you in shape and texture. You want it to be easily manipulated, you want it to be easily cleaned and drying quickly, okay? You want it flexible, you want the bristles to be soft, rigid, and lightly, with a light handle. The most ideal toothbrush out there is a soft nylon bristle brush with a rounded end. So now we're going to talk about methods. A lot of people use different types of methods, but here I'm going to show you one of the best methods out there, and that is called the Bass method. So here I'm going to start the demonstration of the Bass method. So since I'm left hand dominant, I'm going to start on the left side, but for right hand dominance, you'll start on the right side. You want to get your toothbrush and put it at a 45-degree angle, half on the gums and half on the tooth, to ensure gum stimulation. Okay, so once it's there, then you're going to do vibratory strokes for about 10 seconds. So it's going to look something like this. Okay, you want to apply light pressure, nothing too abrasive. Then once you're done with that spot, then you go to the next tooth, and you go again, do another vibratory stroke here. Okay, I'm not really doing it for 10 seconds for the sake of time here, but just know that you'll be brushing for about 2 minutes twice daily. 1 minute per half of your mouth. Okay, so now I'm going to get into the linguals. You're going to open up here, and you're going to do the inside of your mouth here. Okay, so you're going to get this. I'm just going to take it off here, and you're going to go 45-degree angle again, and then do the vibratory strokes again. And you do the same thing until you get to your front teeth. Once you get here, then you want to lift up here and get 45-degree angle with your anteriors, and do the same thing, vibratory strokes, half on the gums, half on the tooth, same deal. You want to clean these back or behind the teeth really well here, because a lot of people miss these. So it's very important. And you just go all the way around and do that. So, and that's how you do the Bass method.